I mentioned earlier that in about 2005, we had a problem at the Federation because the Alberta Union of Provincial Employees left. And at that time, they were probably, I think they were the largest affiliate. And they were probably close to half of the membership of the Federation. So they would be the largest public sector union, and CUPE locals all belong to the Federation. And then we had our private sectors, right? So when we lost AUPE, then the president at that time and the secretary treasurer worked to have the United Nurses come into the Federation and the Health Sciences Association. So it changed the makeup of the Federation, but brought back some membership and some clout in terms of membership. Since I got elected, I've been spending my time working on making sure that our affiliates support the Federation actively. It's one thing to be a member. It's another thing to remember to always send your dues in. And it's a third thing to remember to send your participants and to send your people and to actively consider things that the Federation's doing in the province as part of your job too. And so I've been working on that. But we have about 140,000 members now, and that is not an insignificant number. We're, I think, the third largest federation in the country. And that would surprise people because, you know, we aren't that well known for being a large union contingent in this province. And so we've done very well. The CLC and the Alberta Federation of Labour have for many years now cooperated in having an annual school. And it's taken different visions and they've been organized differently, but for a number of years now, we've had a 2-week school here in the mountains of Alberta in Jasper, where we take affiliate members, we give them opportunities to learn in-depth information about a subject of their choice, and we give them a week of education, union education. Now, that sounds like something that many affiliates will do on their own. They'll take their own members and they'll give them education about their union and about issues of interest to them, and that is as it should be. Unions need to do that, and they need to educate their members. The difference, I think, with what we do at the Federation and at these CLC-FL schools is that we bring together different affiliates, and we bring together members of different unions, and we give them opportunities to connect and network with each other in ways that you don't have in any other place. You don't have that opportunity in any other way. So you are not only learning with people from other unions within your class, but you're partaking in social activities with unions, with other members of other unions in all of the social activities in the organization. And what that builds is it builds a common network. It builds your feeling of solidarity with others within the trade union movement. And that movement is what will make the difference in this province, because you'll take back with you some understanding of those other unions to your community, and you won't always look for a CUPE member to talk to, or a Public Service Alliance member to talk to, or a CAW member to talk to. You'll look for anyone who is a trade unionist, and you'll recognize them as such, and you will have a common experience to rely on when you go back. And so it's building the movement, and that's what the purpose of the school is. And I think it's fair to say that there's evidence that it works, because we've had nothing. It's always been something that people return to. We almost always have about 40% new people, and we have about 60% of people who've been here before and say, I need more of that. I need more of that to sustain me. And so I think, and the numbers keep growing. We have 140 here this week. That's the highest it's been in, I think, 15 years. And it's big again next week. So, people need the experience, because it you work every day in your union to make things better for the people around you, and you need the opportunity to connect with others who are doing the same thing and who have different experiences and who can show you different ways of dealing with those same things. So it's a very popular and very effective, I think, way to let people connect.